Hello guys, welcome to Mini House. My name is Anna, and for today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I transformed Mini Fashion's wardrobe from this to this. Wow! This set comes with a bag that's gold and a few more accessories. It comes with a manual, 2 pieces of cardboard for the background of the wardrobe, and parts of the wardrobe. It also comes with a mirror that actually lights up. It's really cute, but just a reminder, it does come with a battery, so you need to put a battery on it. In this bag, you will find the legs for the table and the stool. It also comes with 5 cute tiny little hangers. It also comes with 1 piece chest. You can put many tiny things there, like clothes and blanket and whatnot. The next bag comes with a few pieces, like 1 small mirror, a lamp that's not working, but it's cute, and a vase with a fake flower. In this bag, you will find a piece or a part of the jewelry display table. The next bag has the part of the stool and the mannequin. And the last bag, you will find the locks for the cardboard. And now let's appreciate this really cute gold bag. It comes with a clasp and it opens, and there's quite a lot of space there for tiny miniature stuff. I used painter's tape to cover the areas where I didn't want to get paint on. I covered the mirrors of the wardrobe, as well as the gold lining and knob of the drawers. To paint it, I use a spray paint that's color white, and I made sure that it bonds with plastic. I ended up painting this twice. I let it dry first, and then I came back the next day to repaint it again for the second coat. I thought initially covering those gold lines will save it, but no, I was wrong. As you can see, it didn't come out pretty, so I ended up repainting those areas. I had this paint lying around for a long time, and I tried it, and I was like really crossing my finger that the colors will match. It wasn't the closest match, but it was good enough, and my hands were kind of shaky because it's been a long time since I painted, especially with something like this that has to be a lot of straight lines and whatnot. But it turned out okay. At first I was shaking, and then when I started getting used to it, it was okay. It was turning all right, and I actually had fun doing it. And now for the fun part where I have to assemble everything. I started with a stool. As you can see, I didn't paint underneath, but I should have, but I don't know, I was too lazy already and I left it like that. But when I put it on, the legs were easy to put on. And yeah, the gold on white, it looks so pretty. I was so in love how it looked. Yeah, very dainty. Now with this one, this is the, what do you call it? The table. I struggled a little bit. I couldn't figure out how to put it on. And then later on, I noticed that, oh, I needed to slide it. And yeah, the paint on the drawer was still a little bit wet. That's why I was so careful in putting it on, because I don't want to damage the paint that I did. It's not perfect, but it will do. For the background of the wardrobe, it did come with a cardboard that's very, very pink. And I chose this cardstock. It came from the Recollection collection. But yeah, I wanted something kind of dark so that everything will pop out since the wardrobe is white anyway. So this was very easy. It was straightforward because I just needed to match the cardstock with the cardboard that it came with. And I also made those tiny holes because that's where the lock will be attached later, so that it will stay on the back on the back of the wardrobe. So as you can see here, I put the cardstock on first. I attached it first, and then the old one, the cardboard that came with it, I still put it in there as an additional reinforcement. It was easy to put on, you just have to slide it. It already has some tabs there that will hold it still. And these are the lock that you need to put on the back so that it will stay there. And the reveal. So from this, it is now this. So I did put in a few of the stuff that I had from the past. I've been collecting mini fashion for a long time. So these are the tiny collection that I have accumulated over the years. I was just so happy that finally all of my mini bags have a home, because it's been just in a Ziploc for the longest time ever. But when I saw this and put it there as a display, I was just in love, and I had so much fun creating it. And also, I want to thank you guys for watching my video, and I hope to see more of you guys again. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. That would be a great help for my channel, so I can post and make more videos for you guys to watch. Till my next video, take care everybody. Bye for now.